Best comparison. Wake-up lights have become an essential tool for improving sleep quality and creating a more natural morning routine. These devices simulate sunrise and provide customizable alarms, soothing sounds, and ambient lighting to help users wake up gently and feel refreshed. List 1. Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock for Kids. The JALA Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock is a mid-range option that balances affordability and features. Designed for heavy sleepers and kids, it offers dual alarms, FM radio, 7 natural sounds, and 7 colorful lighting options. The sunrise simulation can be adjusted from 10 to 30 minutes, allowing users to personalize their wake-up experience. Its modern design and lightweight build make it ideal for bedside use. During testing, the sunrise simulation proved effective for gentle wake-ups, and the variety of alarm sounds added a touch of nature to the morning routine. The dual alarm feature is particularly useful for families, while the FM radio adds extra functionality. However, the lack of battery operation and limited sound volume are minor drawbacks for users seeking portability or louder alarms. List 2. Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light. The Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light is the premium choice in this comparison, offering clinically proven sunrise and sunset simulations. With 20 brightness settings, 5 natural sounds, FM radio, and tap snooze functionality, this product is designed to enhance morning energy and mood. Its sleek design and high build quality make it a standout option for users seeking a top-tier wake-up light. Performance-wise, the Philips Smart Sleep excels in creating a natural wake-up experience. The simulated sunrise transitions smoothly, mimicking the gradual light increase of dawn. Its bedside lamp functionality and dimmable display add convenience, while the 90-day money-back guarantee demonstrates confidence in its effectiveness. However, the higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers, and the fluorescent light source might not appeal to users seeking LED technology. List number: JALL Sunrise Alarm Clock White Noise Sound Machine with. The JALL Sunrise Alarm Clock White Noise Sound Machine is a budget-friendly option that packs a surprising amount of features. It includes 22 soothing sounds, 17 colorful nightlights, and Bluetooth speaker functionality. The sunrise simulation gradually brightens over 10 to 60 minutes, making it ideal for heavy sleepers. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it suitable for bedrooms, nurseries, and offices. In terms of performance, the sound machine offers excellent audio quality, and the variety of sounds ensures users can customize their sleep environment. The 17 lighting modes add versatility, allowing it to double as a bedside lamp or mood light. However, the lack of battery operation means it must remain plugged in, which could limit placement options. While the Bluetooth speaker is a nice touch, it may not replace standalone speakers for audiophiles. List number: White Noise Sound Machine, 30 soothing sounds. The WKZ White Noise Sound Machine offers 30 soothing sounds and a natural sunrise alarm clock experience at an affordable price. Its adjustable volume and brightness settings make it versatile for various use cases, including relaxation, sleep aid, and nighttime feedings. The device also includes a sleep timer and memory function for convenience. This model performed well in creating a calming sleep environment, with a wide selection of sounds ranging from white noise to nature sounds. The sleep timer feature is particularly useful for users who prefer to fall asleep to sound without leaving it on all night. However, the device's lightweight design may feel less durable, and its beige color might not match all decor styles. List number: Smart Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock with Dawn Dusk. The Smart Wake Up Light by Bib_J is a feature-rich device with quad alarms, dawn dusk simulation, and immersive light and sound options. It includes 11 dimmable ambience lights, 7 nature sounds, FM radio, and a wireless speaker. The app-based control adds convenience, making it suitable for tech-savvy users. In testing, the quad alarms proved useful for multi-user households, and the dawn-dusk simulation effectively supported circadian rhythm alignment. The app interface is intuitive, though it requires initial setup. While the device offers strong functionality, Its smaller size and lightweight build may limit its impact in larger rooms, and its reliance on app control might not appeal to all users.